Hello guys, and welcome to another video of my PHP Basics series. In this video tutorial we're continuing talking about operators in PHP. Precisely in this one we'll be talking about assignment operator. The assignment operator you saw so many times until now, so we're just gonna explain what exactly happens when you use it. So basically I'm just going to create one variable and assign it with some value. For example, I'm going to create my number equals to 20, and so right here you see this assignment, this equals operator. This is not as equals, it doesn't mean equals, it means that the left operand receives the value of the right operand, which means that the right value. For example, if you would have a equals 10 and you give it here like equal to a, and then you say echo my number, and then I go to my browser, say localhost 0 assign PHP, and there we go. Now we see that my number was assigned the value of the a variable. So basically, like, that's pretty easy, and that's about it. So now you can do some like cool stuff with it. For example, if I'm about to change this value right here, this a value, before echoing it out, I want to do something with it, so I can say a equals to a plus 5. This means that we already set this a variable to 10, and since it has a numerical value, we're using the addition operator and we're adding the value of 5. So when we echo this out, we're getting 15. So it means that you can change a variable before you do something with it by using the assignment operator. You can assign new values you saw previously, such as string. This is string. You can even write this like in a shorter way. For example, if you have an a and you already have the a variable has its own value of 10, you can shorten this syntax by doing this plus equals to 5. So now it's adding up to the value that you already have. It is not like it's not going to overwrite this value. So if I echo this out, I get 15 again. So like, those are basic stuff, and that's like mostly about it, what you need to know about assignment operators. Thank you for watching.